Hey everybody, here I am, Evan with Let's Do This. Today I'm going to show you how I keep my dining room table looking so good. I use a Citrus Shield Howard Premium Paste Wax. Give them a shout out. Good product. About every 6 months I do this. It's a family dining room table, so it gets cleaned, soapy water a lot. It dulls it out. But then this wax brings it back to life, and it takes a long time for it to get dulled out again. So been really happy with it. Just gonna make a quick video, show you guys how easy it is. Just apply the wax, let it sit for a few minutes, and then use a dry towel to wipe it down. Wax on, wax off, right? I'll leave a comment about a straight link to making the table. I made this out of cedar fencing from my in-laws house. It's all grayed out, dried, old, and I repurposed it into a dining room table. So it's really cool to see the beginning to end on that. So hope you guys get something out of this, and talk to you later.